Alrighty, I weeded this out a bit, but these are some of the real riders and different stuff. I know these are all pretty easy to get. This one's a little one I got in Europe. These are all my European purchases, actually. Some really cool stuff here, to be quite honest. There's that one I got in Warsaw in Poland. It's kind of cool. Don't see that anywhere. Another Majorette. I think you guys have all seen these. And this is the one, another one from somewhere in Europe. This has been around for a while. A couple more I got in Europe. Light and gold. Once again, some of these are from eBay, so they're older type stuff. Just basics. These, which I didn't have, short card Barbie. This is from, I actually got this in Dubai, I think. I know this is certainly a collectible one. I've seen some people looking for that. I don't even remember where I got it. And then we have, once again, I really like this, really like that. The Bayern Munich car. That's cool. Greenlight. I don't think there's anything amazing. This is kind of blah. Yeah, another one of those cars that I bought in Europe with a weird name. Another one of those. And the Great Outdoors. But yeah, that's basically it. All that stuff and not a tremendous amount of really cool stuff, but you know, kind of nice to add to the collection. Now I gotta try to find some spots there, huh? Don't have much room at this point, unfortunately.